Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Last month we introduced you to Whiteboard. Today let's concentrate on Microsoft OneNote. Go to office.com, log in with your business email address and password. Next we'll click on the app launcher and click on OneNote. OneNote is a note-taking application that can run from any web browser. You can install it on Windows or Mac, plus smartphones and other mobile devices. The interface is similar no matter what device, and it stores your notes in Microsoft 365 Cloud. The notes are organized by a notebook to which you add sections, and then you create pages. You can right-click a notebook, a section, or a page for additional options. Here we can see a notebook called Demonstration, to which I've added several sections, and each section has pages. And you can have multiple notebooks if needed. By clicking on the sections and then the pages, we can see our notes. The staff meeting section has notes from our monthly staff meeting, while the HR section has notes and pages from our weekly HR meeting. The demo section will illustrate all the inserting and drawing capabilities of OneNote. You can insert nearly anything, including a table, files, pictures, URL or web links, even record audio. You can automatically insert date and time, calculations and formulas, some graphics and symbols, and it even has the capability of a math assistant to solve equations. The draw page will illustrate the drawing capabilities. You can use a ruler, you can format the background, you can draw all sorts of shapes by hand, you can use automatic shapes that'll convert your hand-drawn images into the closest shape. Lastly, you can also share your notebook with others in your organization. Next month, our tech tip will highlight another productivity app to help you be more efficient, so stay tuned.